Former Maine gubernatorial candidate Elliot Cutler has been disbarred and can no longer practice law in Maine. The decision comes nearly 10 months after Cutler pleaded guilty to 4 felony charges of possessing child pornography after police found 142,000 pornographic images and videos of children on his electronic devices. After being sentenced to 9 months behind bars, Cutler was released in January after nearly 8 months. Cutler has also had to register as a sex offender in Maine for the rest of his life.